Do you know about has been, have been, had been? Let's understand easy way. We use has been or have been for action started in the past and still continuing. They show present perfect continuous tense. Example, I have been learning English for 2 years. હું છેલ્લા 2 વર્ષથી અંગ્રેજી શીખી રહી છું. We use had been for something that was continuing before another past. They show past perfect continuous tense. Example, I had been studying before you called. તમે મને કોલ કર્યો એ પહેલા હું અભ્યાસ કરી રહી હતી. So friends, remember has been or have been for just now, had been for the past. Just one difference can make your sound professional. Follow for more easy English grammar tips.